Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and I just wanted to say, I always get asked this question, and that is, do I need to go to film school or university to become a filmmaker? Well, the answer is no, and let me explain why. So let me just give you a brief background about my education. I studied media in school, I studied media in college, and then I studied film studies in university. But don't think that you have to take education to become a filmmaker, because you don't. Now, when I was in school and in college, I just did general media courses. This meant that I was studying journalism, website design, filmmaking, photography, and the only real benefit that this served me is that it taught me that I don't really care about anything other than filmmaking and photography. Journalism bored the life out of me, and you don't exactly need website development skills these days because there's so many simple to build websites out there now. So studying media in school and college was just confirming what I already knew, and that I don't care about these other parts of the media. It's just filmmaking and photography that I'm interested in. So with this knowledge, I packed up my bags and I moved down to London to study digital film and video at London South Bank University. Now, this course was all about filmmaking, but it was more to do with the theory of filmmaking rather than the production of filmmaking. We did shoot films in class.
You know what I mean? It's like people, it's normal.
But not many. It was more to do with the theory of filmmaking and the reason why we make films. I did learn loads at my 3 years of university, but just by going to class didn't guarantee that I would get a job at the end of university. Now, outside of class, I was filming as much as I could. I had a camera and I was offering free videos to anybody that would be willing to work with me. I filmed low-budget music videos and I filmed little tourism videos around London. And I also created a time-lapse and hyperlapse film all around London showcasing the beauty of the city. I uploaded this to YouTube and it received just over 250,000 views. And because of the success of this video, a TV producer ended up watching it and wanted me to work on their TV show as a camera assistant. And this was my first ever foot in the door. I worked on the show for 6 weeks and filmed almost every single day of those 6 weeks. At the same time, I was also doing those free music videos for people, and I was also taking classes at the same time. To say I was burnt out would be an under-exaggeration. I was so tired, but I was working hard and I was really trying to make it happen and trying to become a filmmaker. A few months after doing this TV show, I was called back to do a different show, and this meant that I was filming another brand new TV show, and that was incredible. I was also shooting as many YouTube videos as I physically could, and I was starting to build a business and started charging people for my services. I carried on making as many videos as I physically could. I was shooting anywhere between 5 to 7 videos every single week, as well as taking my classes, and I did this throughout the entirety of my time at university. It was because of this that when I graduated, I was able to keep funding myself and keep living by filmmaking alone. So when I graduated in 2015, because of all the hard work that I was doing outside of class at university, I was able to start running and just keep making films once I finished university. And the crazy thing is, I haven't stopped since graduation. Being able to fund myself through filmmaking and photography alone is an absolute dream come true, but it wasn't the fact that I went to university that I'm doing this now. It was the hard work that I was putting in outside of class. So don't think if you don't go to school or college or university, you won't become a filmmaker. If you work hard every single day and commit yourself to your dream, then I promise you, you will make it. So yeah, to everybody that has asked me this question, I hope this helps. I hope that answers the question. If you found this video helpful at all, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you would like to see more videos like this one in the future, then don't forget to press the subscribe button and push that bell icon to stay updated on all future uploads. Thank you ever so much for watching. I really do truly appreciate it. I hope you're having the most incredible day today. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.